Hey everybody, so I'm about 4 weeks away from my delivery date. So I want to share a video with you guys of all the updates that's been going on around our house. If you follow me on stories, a lot of this information is going to be repetitive, but for the people that don't tune into Instagram stories or Brett's Instagram stories, I wanted to create this video for you. So I'm gonna take you around the house and possibly in Brett's shop real quick and show you what's been going on. So the first room I wanted to share was the game room. This is where Brett was running his business for the first year and a half that we've been in the house. He is completely out, as you guys can see. I went ahead and removed the wallpaper that was on this wall. And we are using this room right now for storage, just for all of our renovation projects. I also set up my desk, which is really exciting. I've been loving this space. I actually have a place that I can come and set my laptop down. I love my desk. I know it's kind of hard to visualize this room since it's still mint green. But this area is going to be a office / playroom for me and the girls. This will be our own personal space. So Brett moved everything out, and we are just kind of going with the flow in this room. I've been moving like gift wrap stuff and have some promotional items in here for real estate. This closet is going to be very exciting for me. I don't know if you guys watch A Home Edit on Netflix, but I'm in love with it and love organization. So we're gonna rework this closet, put some shelving in there. I'm probably gonna go to town on the Container Store website, get me some nice, pretty storage items. And we have the doors already ordered for this closet, and those should be, as we're doing each room in the house, we're installing the doors. So that is pretty much it. Allie has some items from Santa coming that is going to go in this space. This will kind of be their area. I just wanted a place where she could color, where she could play with her Play-Doh. I want to eventually get a piece of furniture on this wall to store all of her toys. Whenever we first looked at this house, this room was such a huge bonus for me. It's just a great flex space. It's a place that we can grow with, the girls can grow with. So I'm very, very excited about what is to come from this space. So stay tuned. The master bedroom is the next area that we've been concentrating on these past few weeks. So there was a tree that fell during Hurricane Laura onto our home, but there was also a tree that fell prior to us living in the home that was disclosed on the property disclosure. Whenever we removed the wallpaper in this area, we noticed black mold or mildew. Had the inspector come out, everything was contained, it wasn't spreading. So we just removed all the pieces that were damaged and replaced them and put up new sheetrock, and all is good to go now. So also in this room was a 80s vaulted ceiling. So we went ahead and took that down and went ahead and created a traditional tray in here. And the next step is to install the sheetrock that's down here. So we should be seeing that going up in the next few weeks. And then we'll have, we had hired out these floaters, sheetrock floaters for Brett's shop. And we're gonna see if they can come out and do the work in here as well. Also on this ceiling will be recessed lighting and a ceiling fan. And then the other plans for this room is on this wall, to simplify this wall, we're gonna close it up as much as possible. We're gonna take away the door and the window, and we're gonna install install a French door unit. I just find it's too busy, and having just one door unit, one French door unit will simplify it and make it look a lot better. And then once everything's painted and the crown molding's up, on this wall, we plan to do some detailed molding. It'll be the wall where the headboard will be for our bed. So I'm excited about this room. I'm excited to finally have a king-size bed. My goal was to have this room finished before the baby comes, but maybe pushing that goal back a few weeks. So we'll see. So this is the nursery. This room is completed except for flooring and final decor. But I have the crib in here. This is actually my dresser. I'm just storing it in here for right now. And we'll put it back in the master once it's done. But this room is pretty much complete. I also need Brett to install recessed lighting in here. That is on the to-do list. But this is what the complete product will look like throughout our home. Just the glacier white walls, white dove trim. These are the doors that we selected, and I've selected different hardware throughout the home. This is for the closets. And then as you can see, the entry doors, the hardware is a little bit bigger. So this is the end product. I have also ordered a few more things for the nursery. So I'll hopefully have that finalized. I think I'm gonna move the crib to a different spot and switch up the direction of the rug. I'm still working on all of this, but this is it at a glance. I also have to make a flower mobile for my little baby girl. Hopefully get to that soon. And those are the sheets that I selected. I just need to get them cleaned. And I also framed a few photos of the ultrasound and me and Allie with my pregnant belly. So we are getting excited about meeting our second little girl. So just like the nursery, Allie's room is also complete as far as walls go. Crown molding, baseboards. She is still just sleeping on a mattress right now. I actually talked to Pottery Born earlier around lunchtime. They're trying to schedule, I don't know what is taking so long. They're trying to schedule a delivery. They said January 17th. I told them that was ridiculous. I ordered the bed, I think in August. So just a little upset with them right now, but her room is pretty complete. Floors, we are looking to, my goal for floors is to have them installed summer, early fall. So that is the update on floors, but I'll be working on Allie's room a little bit more after her bed comes in. I actually have all of her bedding ordered. I just haven't put it on the mattress. You can see her quilts up there, decorative pillows, everything's ready to go. I just don't feel like putting it on this sad little mattress. So this is how she's sleeping, but she loves her room and she's been really good about sleeping in it throughout the night. So I'm really proud of her. Okay, and last but not least is Brett's shop. Just wanted to show you guys the interior. It had been a while. This is his office space. And it opens up into his workspace. This is all the stuff that I packed up from the game room and dumped it in here. He's still going through everything. He'll probably be upset with me for filming the shop in this condition. But this is his workbench that he built. Just came out really, really nice. And then this area is just kind of a multifunctional space. We're still working on this area. But this is just storage for stuff from our hobbies, I guess, around the house. His sandblasting cabinet, his air compressor. And he's still just kind of organizing and figuring things out in here. His bathroom, I helped him a little bit with this. It's really cute lavatory. And then he put up some shelving and a little bench in here, and then across is where he does his Cerakote work. It's just a little paint booth. He has some fans in here filtering. This is his Cerakote oven. But he has it well equipped for everything that he needs. He could probably explain everything a lot better than I can, but I'm really excited that he is in this space and out of my house. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed what we've done so far. The goal is to get as much done on the master before the baby comes. Once she arrives, we're gonna take a small break and just enjoy her, and then start up again. And I just wanted to explain that a lot of our renovations have been stalled because of Brett's shop. His shop was stalled because of COVID and just, you know, getting workers out here to do what needs to be done to his shop. But now that that's finished, we can concentrate more on the home reno. So I'm hoping to give you more updates as things progress here. So I hope you enjoyed the update and stay tuned.